Advantages of garlic as well as honey in the morning. If weight loss is on your mind, you would most likely want to accomplish your wanted weight as rapidly as possible. It is a fact that dropping weight is just hard. However, with some dietary modifications and also behaviors, you can accelerate the procedure. Weight loss consists of lots of things, including exercising daily, consuming healthy snacks, drinking warm water, and so on. We make sure that you recognize practically everything which one should perform in order to reduce weight easily and quicker. However, right here, in this video, we are sharing a very little known natural remedy that works when you get on a weight management journey. Wish to know what's that? Simply continue watching this video. Garlic as well as honey. Definitely, the combination of garlic as well as honey might not seem very scrumptious. However, it is really useful for your wellness in addition to weight management. It can improve your total wellness problems. Consuming raw garlic on an empty belly can also assist food digestion as well as detoxification. Both honey as well as garlic are one of the healthiest components which can be included any type of food. There are lots of health benefits of honey along with garlic, so, when you combine them together, what benefits you get out of it? Health advantages of honey and garlic. 1. The mix of honey as well as garlic can lower your blood pressure and also poor cholesterol levels in the body. 2. They can be useful in fighting with cold as well as flu. 3. They can boost your digestion and deal with several digestion-related diseases. 4. They can boost your immune system. 5. They can detoxify your body by removing the toxic substances. 6. They can enhance your liver's health and wellness. 7. They can be utilized for dealing with lots of types of heart problem along with diabetes. Just how to make use of garlic and honey for weight management. You can prepare this weight loss solution by simply putting honey in a glass jar and then putting freshly peeled off garlic cloves in it. Now, shut the lid and also provide the jar a gentle shake to cover the garlic cloves completely in honey. Let the combo sit for a while and after that, consume 1 clove each early morning. Shop the remainder in the glass container and also take in 1 daily. Another point that makes this solution a must-try for you is that it can boost your skin's health and wellness as well as stop outbreaks because both the components are all natural blood purifiers. So, give it a try and also let us know exactly how this benefited you. Do share this with your good friends or relative that are trying to reduce weight. Thank you for checking out. Remain healthy.